Hey guys, today I've got a matching Kenmore washer and electric dryer set. Real quick, I want to run you through all the operations of both and just show you that everything works perfectly. So this guy, I've got it set to large, low. This is a super capacity plus, about the biggest they make this as far as capacity goes. Just got it set on warm, cold, fast, and we're at the rinse portion right now, which it doesn't really matter. I'm just going to show you that everything works. So we're bringing in the water, it's filling up. Then once it switches over, I'm going to show you that it agitates correctly and that it drains the water out. And then you'll get to see the spin cycle moving nice and fast and hear that it's smooth and everything like that. So we'll let this advance through and then I will show you the dryer. Okay, now we're on to the agitation portion of the rinse cycle. As you can see there, I'm going to show you one thing real quick on this agitator, and any agitator like this, unless it's belt driven, this is not, it's direct drive, it should spin freely one way and not the other way. If you can spin yours freely both ways, then this is broken. So that's one good thing to note. And so you'll get that noise, that kind of knocking back and forth noise. That's normal. I get that question a lot. If somebody has a washer without an agitator or front load washer, they're not used to hearing that sound. So that's good sound. It means your washer is working appropriately. Alright, now it's draining out the water. You can hear the drain working perfectly as it moves into the final spin. So once it's at full speed on the spin cycle here, we'll come back. Alright, and we're back full speed on the spin cycle. You can see it's nice, smooth operation. Sounds great. And I'm going to go ahead and open this up. Show you that it is spinning nice and fast. Puts the brakes on. So that safety lid switch is working perfectly. And it's going to kick right back up to speed. Alright, now we will show you the dryer next. Alright guys, now we are on to the matching Kenmore electric dryer. And I've got it running here, we'll shut it off just for a sec. Got it running time dry, high heat, and you've got 4 options here, and delicates is awesome if you wash and dry that kind of thing. Cycle signal, you can actually control how loud it's going to be, which is great if you've got sleeping babies. So we're going to go ahead and just put it on time dry, hit go. We're going to do a little bit of touch up on this guy here, but I just wanted to show you that it sounds great, nice smooth operation. It's not thumping around or anything like that. And then I'm going to show you that it is heating the way it's supposed to. So in between those 2 red dots, that's where it's going to take its heat measurement. So check, like floor is 10 degrees cooler. We'll open this up, and right inside the heating element tube here, we'll go ahead and take a measurement. You can see plenty of heat coming out of there. So right below that is where you find the heating element on the inside. And then what happens is the inside of your dryer is going to get anywhere from 95 to 195. Just depends on what you have that setting at. So perfect on the heat there. And I'll grab a picture for the ad. So there you have it, guys. As if you were standing here yourself trying it out, you'd check, make sure everything works good and it gets nice and hot. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Otherwise, do appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Thanks. Have a great day.